Hey guys, John, Vapor Honing Technologies here today, coming at you with a brand new invention, the Micro Vapor Home. Just kidding. We've had the Micro for about 3 years now, I think. Today's topic is about why you should own or buy a Micro Vapor Home. I have a rap sheet of things and reasons you should buy a Micro Vapor Home. Let's start with the number one reason. The number one reason you should buy is its small footprint. This is a machine that you can buy and fit anywhere on your favorite tool cart, in your workshop, in your lab for testing in your company. It is a fantastic, easy, versatile little machine. It needs no electricity. It needs air. That's it, no power. So if you have an air connection, that's all you need to run the Micro Vapor Home. Anywhere, I'm gonna say around 8 CFM to 10 CFM is needed for the Micro Vapor Home. It's extremely low, but this machine puts in some fantastic work, and the guys can link to a few videos here in this video to show you some of the Micro Vapor Home videos in action, and we'll bring you some more of those in the future moving forward, but that is the number one reason for me personally, is its small footprint. Number two, which is right there with number one, is if you are interested in this process, but you've never maybe used it, you don't know how you're going to use it, you don't know the applications that it's going to be great for, it's a great entry-level product that gets you into the process, and you can learn and do some research and some troubleshooting. You can figure this thing out for less than $1,000 to your door. That's what's so fantastic about this little Micro Vapor Home as well. And that's why we built it years ago, to help people like you who maybe have never used this process. So we hear it all the time, this stuff's so expensive, these machines are unaffordable. The Micro Vapor Home is so affordable for anybody to get into the game and start using this. Now the greatest part about this is, if you guys don't know, we have a trade-up program. So you can buy the Micro Vapor Home, and then you can trade up to a bigger machine one day, and you're not gonna lose any of your money. So if you spend $1,000 right now, it's not gone. You can just roll it into the next biggest product, or step up a couple sizes if you need to, and it's not wasted money. So that's an awesome thing about the Micro Vapor Home. Number three, the next thing I liked about the Micro Vapor Home is it's so affordable to use and operate. It uses 5 pounds of abrasive and 2 gallons of water. So if you think about it, when you're doing testing and you're doing research, or you're using this for your hobby, you're only using 5 pounds of abrasive. So when you use it up and it's no good anymore, it's 5 pounds. It's not 25 pounds or 35 pounds. So you can really do a lot of testing and a lot of research with that, and switch those abrasives really quickly. So that is the top 3 things about the Micro Vapor Home. Number 4 about the Micro Vapor Home is, it kind of goes along with 3, but it's the cost of operation. So there's not a lot of wear parts on the machine. You have the pumping system and the blasting gun, and that's it. So it's really affordable to use from an abrasive standpoint and the consumable side, and it gives you the same results. There's a lot of people asking those questions, like, does it work as good? You know, is it going to be as good of a product? It can't be that great if it's under $1,000. This little machine puts in a lot of great stuff, a lot of good work, and again, we've shown videos of this in the past, and we will in the future. So hopefully that's 4 good reasons for you on why you should buy the Micro Vapor Home. As always, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.